Ethiopia is sometimes called the roof of Africa because there are many mountains that have an elevation above 4,000 meters above the sea level. Most rivers that are originated from Ethiopia flows down to other African countries, and so that Ethiopia is named as the water tower of East Africa. Ethiopia was formerly known as Abyssinia. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. The Blue Nile, also known as the father of streams, is a river originating at Lake Tana in Ethiopia. It travels approximately 1,450 kilometers through Ethiopia and Sudan. Along with White Nile, it is one of the two major tributaries of the Nile and supplies about 85% of the water to the Nile during the rainy season. So in Ethiopia, the Blue Nile is called the Abyei River. The river flows generally south before entering a canyon about 400 kilometers long. The canyon was first referred to as the Grand Canyon in 1968 by a British team that accomplished the first descent of the river from Lake Tana to the end of the canyon. Subsequent river rafting parties called it the Grand Canyon of the Nile. This Abyei, the Blue Nile Falls, one of the Ethiopia's biggest tourist attractions, is located at the start of the canyon. The magnificence of this canyon and the character of the river make this the finest raft support trip in Africa. The Blue Nile cuts the canyon through a high-raised tableland. The canyon extends over 800 km from Tisisat Falls to near the Sudan border and is generally 1,200 to 2,000 meters deep on both sides throughout its length. The Simien Mountains National Park in the northern Ethiopia is an exotic setting with unique wildlife and breathtaking views on a landscape shaped by nature and traditional agriculture. The park is a home to several rare species including the Gelada baboon, the Walia ibex and the Ethiopian wolf. The river loops across northwest Ethiopia before being fed by numerous tributaries between Lake Tana and Ethiopian Sudan border. Those on its left bank in downstream order include the River Wanka, River Bashilo, Walaka, Wanchet, Jama, Muga, Guda, Aguel, Nedi, River Didesa, and River Dabas. And those on the right side also in downstream order include River Andasa, Tul, Abaya, Sade, Tami, Cha, Shita, Suha, Muga, Gula, Tamcha, Bachat, River Katlan, Jiba, Chamoga, Weta, and River Beles. The Blue Nile then heads northwest into Sudan. It travels approximately 650 kilometers, flowing past Eroseires town, receiving the Dinda River on its right bank at Dinda. There has been a conflict between Egypt and Ethiopia about waters of Nile. Let us get this on part 6 of River Nile. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.